Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Today, we're talking about something we all love, weekend plans. We're going to share our plans for the weekend, and we'll help you learn some useful English vocabulary and phrases along the way.
That's right. Weekends are always a fun topic to talk about. And we're going to cover everything from relaxing to outdoor activities and even some fun events that we might attend. So Ben, let's get started. What do you have planned for this weekend?
Well, I'm planning to spend most of my weekend relaxing at home. I've had a pretty busy week, so I'm looking forward to some quiet time. I might catch up on some movies or read a good book. What about you, Emma? Any exciting plans?
Sounds like a perfect weekend. For me, I've got a little bit of everything planned. On Saturday, I'm going to meet up with some friends for lunch. We're going to try a new restaurant in town that just opened. I've heard they have amazing pasta. Then on Sunday, I'm thinking of going to a park for a walk. Maybe I'll bring my camera and take some pictures.
That sounds like a great mix of activities. I love trying new restaurants. Do you already know what you're going to order?
I'm thinking of trying their lasagna, but I might also get their garlic bread as a starter. I love food that's rich in flavors. What about you? What's your go-to meal when you eat out?
Oh, I always go for something light but satisfying. I'm a big fan of salads, especially with lots of grilled chicken and a nice dressing. I love adding avocado on top too. It makes everything taste so fresh.
Yum! I think I'm getting hungry just talking about food. After lunch, we're planning to go to a nearby museum for an exhibition. I've heard it's a great opportunity to learn about art and history, which I think is pretty cool.
Oh, I love museums. It's always interesting to see new exhibits and learn something new. I think it's such a good way to spend time on a weekend. Are you going with a big group?
Just a few friends. We're going to explore the museum together, and then we'll probably grab a coffee afterward. It's nice to catch up with friends and share some memories.
That sounds really nice. As for me, I might go for a bike ride on Sunday morning. The weather is supposed to be really nice, so I want to get outside and enjoy it.
A bike ride sounds like a perfect way to start the day. Are you planning to ride around your neighborhood, or are you thinking about going to a park or trail?
I'm thinking of going to the river trail near the park. It's so peaceful and it's a great way to clear my mind. I like to take a break and just breathe in the fresh air. Sometimes I even bring a snack and sit by the water to relax.
That sounds so peaceful and calming. I should definitely try that one weekend. Getting outside and enjoying nature is so important. And of course, it helps keep you active and healthy.
Absolutely. And after my bike ride, I might go to a local market to pick up some fresh produce. I love buying fruits and vegetables for the week. They always taste better when they're fresh.
Oh, I love going to markets too. There's always something new to find. I usually get some fresh berries or tomatoes for salads. It's also a good chance to practice my shopping English, asking for things like, "How much is this?" or "Can I get a discount?"
Oh, I like that. Practicing real-life English is always a good idea. So, after the market, do you have anything planned, or are you going to take it easy for the rest of the day?
After the market, I'm going to relax at home for a while. Maybe I'll watch a movie or just chill with a good book. Sunday is the day I use to recharge before the week starts. But if the weather stays nice, I might even go for a run later in the afternoon.
That's great. I've been thinking about going for a run too. I've heard it's really good for your mental health, especially if you run outside. The fresh air and sunshine really make a difference.
Yes, I completely agree. Running gives you that boost of energy and it helps clear your mind. I like to listen to music while I run, but sometimes I just enjoy the silence and focus on my breathing.
That sounds amazing. I think I'll give it a try this weekend. But before I go, I'm going to need a good playlist. Do you have any music recommendations?
Absolutely. I've got a few go-to songs for running. You should check out upbeat songs like Stronger by Kanye West or Can't Stop the Feeling by Justin Timberlake. They'll give you so much energy.
Nice. I'll add those to my playlist. I'm getting pumped up just thinking about it.
That's the spirit. So, after all these activities, how about we end the weekend with something relaxing? Maybe some Netflix and chill.
Sounds perfect. A nice, relaxing evening to wind down. Maybe we can even have a little movie marathon with our favorite snacks.
Great idea. We can even practice English by watching movies with English subtitles. It's a fun way to pick up new words and phrases. So, Ben, now that we've talked about all our weekend plans, I'm wondering, do you have any advice for our viewers on how to make the most of their weekends?
Great question. I think the most important thing is to balance relaxation with a little productivity. Weekends are perfect for recharging, but it's also a good time to accomplish things you didn't get to during the week. For example, I like to plan a small task like organizing my space or catching up on reading. It gives me a sense of accomplishment without feeling overwhelmed.
That's such a good point. I try to stay active during the weekend too. Whether it's a walk or a run, getting some fresh air always boosts my mood and energy. I also make sure to spend time doing things I enjoy, like watching movies or learning new hobbies. It's about finding a healthy balance, right?
Exactly. And don't forget, weekends are a great opportunity to connect with people. Whether you're meeting up with friends for lunch or having a video call with family, it's important to nurture those relationships. The weekend should leave you feeling both rested and fulfilled.
Yes, absolutely. Connection is key. Also, don't feel pressured to fill up every moment of your weekend with activities. Sometimes just doing nothing is the best way to relax and reset. We all need a bit of quiet time to recharge our minds and bodies.
That's such a good point. And while we're on the topic, I think it's important to stay positive and not stress out about what you didn't do over the weekend. Weekends are about enjoyment, and sometimes doing something simple like taking a nap can make you feel refreshed and ready for the week ahead.
Exactly. So viewers, no matter what your weekend looks like, just remember to enjoy it and make time for yourself. Whether you're out and about, relaxing at home, or spending time with loved ones, make the most of it.
And if you want to keep improving your English while having fun, join us for more adventures like this one. You can practice real-life vocabulary and feel confident in any situation.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any future lessons. We're here to help you improve your English in fun and practical ways.
We're so glad you joined us today. Make sure to comment below with your weekend plans. What do you do to relax or stay active? We'd love to hear all about it.
Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay happy, and keep practicing your English.
Have a great weekend, everyone. Until next time.
Bye.